Hello, I'm Wanda White. Welcome to my channel, Quietly Be Debt Free. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the debt snowball. The debt snowball is where you list all of your debts from the smallest amounts to the largest amount. Here I made an example for you to see. I have listed some debts and I listed the balances, and I also listed the minimum payments that is required for each one of those, and then how much you will pay. On the debt snowball, this one has a balance of $150. You are going to pay the minimum payment, plus you're going to find an extra $100 that you can also pay on that debt. And then you will pay a total of $150. That is going to eliminate that first debt. The first debt will be eliminated, so you can celebrate that accomplishment. Then you're going to take that $150 and you're going to move it to the next debt. Here, the balance is $425. You're going to pay that $50 that is the minimum payment plus the $150, and that's going to make it a $200 payment. So once you make the $200 payments and eliminate this $425 debt, you are going to eliminate that one as well. That one will be gone. And then you'll move on to the next debt. So the debt snowball is moving from one smaller debt all the way to the next larger debt, so that you have some accomplishments to celebrate. So here, this one has a balance of $800. You're going to pay the $100 minimum payment, plus you're going to take that $200 that you were paying before and add that up to $300. So you're going to be paying $300 each time on this $800 debt, and that is going to eliminate that one soon. When you eliminate this debt, you're going to take the amount that you were paying here and you're going to move it to the next one. So that's making the debt snowball. So here, the last payment is a $3,000 car payment. You are paying $337 each month. You are going to pay that payment plus the $300 that you were paying before, and that's going to make that a total of $637. When you finish with that debt, you will be done. So the important thing about the debt snowball is that you have smaller payments where you can see some success. You can see how you eliminate those, and then you just have that one debt left, or you might have the two debt left. And then when you're finished, there's zero debt. The debt snowball can help you to be debt-free by Thanksgiving, or you can say by Christmas, or just as soon as possible, because I have a scripture that I like to tell, and that scripture is that the borrower is slave to the lender. That is in Proverbs 22:7. You want to be debt-free. It is so good to quietly be debt-free. I want to do this again slowly. This is for the people that are like me, that sometimes when you do it the first time, it's difficult to understand. So I need to have it done at least twice so that I can understand it better. So if you're like me, I want you to look at this one. This is a smaller one. And so here again, I listed the amount that is owed, and then the minimum that needs to be paid each time, and then how much you're going to pay. When you're looking at your budget, if you can find more than $100, you should. And that way you can throw as much money as you can on your debt so that you can quickly and quietly get debt free. The reason why I say quietly get debt free is because you don't want to tell too many people, because you don't want them to ask you, okay, how's it going with that debt-free journey that you're on? You don't want people to ask you that until you're done. You want to be able to celebrate and tell them about it. So here, once again, the debt snowball. There's a $150 payment. $150 balance. Then the minimum payment is $50. So you're going to pay $50 plus $100, and that's going to make it $150. And that's going to automatically eliminate this first debt. So this debt is going to go away. But you're going to take that $150 that you were paying and you're going to add it to this next debt. So here, this debt is $425, and you're going to pay that $50 plus the $150 that you were paying, and that's going to make that a total of $200. So you're going to have $200 that you're going to pay for this, and you're going to be able to do this in two times or two payments, because if you do $200 and $200, that's $400. So you can certainly find $25 somewhere to pay for, to eliminate this debt. Then you're going to take this $200 and you're going to move it down here. This is the $800 debt. So you've got your minimum payment of $100, and then you're going to put the $200, and that's going to make that a $300 payment. So your payments are getting higher. $150, then $200, now $300. Then you are going to move this amount that you're paying down to the very last debt. The last debt is that car payment of $3,000. You're going to pay your $337 payment plus the $300 that came from here, because you were paying $300. So now you're paying $300 plus $337, and that's going to make that a total of $637. So you're going to pay that $637 each time until you eliminate that $3,000 payment. This is the debt snowball. If you like what you heard, would you please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'm going to be the debt-free teacher who is quietly being debt-free. Quietly be debt-free. Thank you for watching this video.